The next heading is participants in money market. There are many participants in operating in money market. They are treasury bill, commercial bill, and commercial papers. So the government of different countries are participants, central bank, private and public banks, mutual fund, insurance companies, non-banking financial institutions, RBI and SBI. These are the participants. Then what are the instrument of money market? Treasury bill, money at call and short notice, commercial bills. Now in addition to the above, we have commercial paper, certificate of deposit, interbank participation certificate and repo instruments. Now we are going to see about the instruments in detail. The first one is treasury bills. So treasury bills nothing but treasury bills are very popular and enjoy higher degree of liquidity. Treasury bill is nothing but a promissory note issued for the specific period. The features of treasury bills are issuer, finance bills, liquidity, and vital source. Types of treasury bills. The treasury bills are issued to the public and other financial institutions for meeting the short-term financial requirement. So the bills are freely marketable. They can be bought and sold at any time in the secondary market on the basis of periodically. Periodically means time basis. They are divided into three types. First one 91 days. Second type 182 days treasury bill. Then third one 364 days. So usually 3 months, 6 months and 1 year. That is 3 months are 91, 182 days. 6 months and 364 1 year treasury bills. So 91 days treasury bills and the 182 days treasury bills are fixed rate of interest discount 4%. The RBI holds 91 days and 181 days treasury bills issued on the type basis throughout the week. But there is no fixed rate for 364 rate. So it is called rate. Such a rate is called cut-off rate. Then second one is commercial bill. A bill of exchange issued by the commercial organization to raise money for short-term needs. These bills are of 30 days, 60 days and 90 days of maturity. So the commercial bill is an instrument drawn by a seller of goods on a buyer of goods. It possesses the advantages like self-liquidating in nature, recourse of two parties. So these are the format of commercial papers. So specimen copy of commercial bill. Features, then ordinary features, commercial bills are as drawer, acceptor, payee, discounter, then endorser, assessment, maturity and credit rating. Then types of commercial bills, demand and nuisance bills. A demand bill is one where no specific time of payment is mentioned. If there is no time mentioned in the bill is called demand. Whenever he asks to pay the money, he can pay. The next heading is clean bills and documentary bills. Bills that are accompanied by documents of title to goods are called documentary bills. Clean bills are drawn without accompanying any document, railway receipt and lorry receipt. Then third one is inland bills and foreign bills. Bills that are drawn and payable in India on a person who is resident in India are called inland bills. The bill drawn by the Indian person and paid by the Indian person is called as inland bills. But the bills are drawn outside India and are payable either in India or outside India are called foreign bills. Then indigenous bills. The drawing and acceptance of indigenous bills are governed by native custom. Native custom means inland countries or usage of trade. Then accommodation and supply of bills. Accommodation bills are those which do not arise out of genuine trade of transaction. The next heading is government or gilt-edged securities. A market whereby government or gilt-edged securities can bought and sold is called government securities market. Government securities market or gilt-edged securities market. Both are same. A market whereby the government or gilt-edged securities can be bought and sold is called government securities market. So government securities are issued for the purpose of refunding the maturing securities, for advancing refunding securities. For example, if certain period the bill rate or the securities maturity date of finish means in the time you have to refund their money which have not yet matured, and for cash financing, that is raising fresh cash resource. These are the format of gilt-edged securities or copy of government securities. The characteristics of Indian money market, that is gilt-edged securities, are first one, agencies. Government securities are issued by the agencies such as central government or state government or semi-government. And then RBI special role. RBI take a special and an active role in the purchase and sale of those securities. The nature of securities, the guaranteed payment of interest and repayment of principal by the government. For example, our securities will be full and full safe. Securities offer a safe avenue of investment through the guaranteed payment of interest and repayment of principal by the government. Then liquidity profile. The liquidity profile of gilt-edged securities varies. Accordingly, liquidity profile of securities issued by the central government is high. Liquidity means cash holding. Then tax rebate. A striking feature of these securities that they offer wide range of tax incentive to the investors. These are very popular for this benefit. Then market, as each sale and purchase has to be negotiated separately. Gilt-edged market is an over-the-counter market. The government securities market in India has two segments, namely primary and secondary forms. The securities of central and state government take such forms: a stock certificate, promissory note, and bearer bond. Then participants. The participant in government securities market include the government sector comprising central and state government. Then trading. Although the secondary market for government securities is narrow, small and less active, banks and corporate holders who purchase and sell government securities. Then issue mechanism. The public debt office of the RBI undertake to the issue of the government securities. Then issue opening. A notification for the issue of securities is made for few days before the public subscription is open. Then grooming gradual. Acquisition of securities nearing maturity through the stock exchange by the RBI in order to facilitate the redemption of described grooming. Grooming means increasing. Then switching. The purchase of one security against the sale of another security carried out by the RBI. The secondary market, as a part of its open market operations, is described as switching. For example, one security is sold to the against of another security. This process is called switching. Then auctioning. Auction means bargaining. A method of trading whereby merchants bid against one another and where the securities are sold to the highest bidder is known as auctioning. So these are the characteristics of money market. That's all, children. So fifth lesson we studied about the capital market, and this lesson we are studying about money market. So read the lessons well. The first money market was started in London. So London money market is the oldest and most developed and leading money market in the world. Then second, New York money market is ranked as the second world developed money market in the world, next only to the London money market. So read the lessons thoroughly again and again. I'll see you soon with my next video. Thank you, children.